A recent armed robbery arrest draws attention to local prisoner furloughs.
Furloughs can be granted for everything from time to attend funerals to getting medical treatment. But in some cases, inmates don't come back, or even worse, commit more crimes while out. Alexis Carpello spoke with Winnebago County State's Attorney Marilyn Height-Ross. And Alexis, she says those reasons are why furloughs are rarely granted.
Eric and Mimi, Marilyn Height-Ross objected to the furloughs for Quentin Beasley. She couldn't speak on to why, but she did say it's possible for individuals to commit crime while out.
Before a judge is going to grant a furlough, they're going to need some assurances. Am I putting the public at risk if I let this person go?
When an individual is granted furlough, they are allowed to leave custody for a set amount of time. Rockford attorney Christopher Durango says there are certain reasons a judge will grant one.
A funeral, medical treatment that the jail can't provide, some event that a judge finds sufficiently important to let them out of custody.
Quentin Beasley was granted a furlough in November by Judge Deborah Schaefer. He had been sentenced to 10 years in prison after he pleaded guilty to armed robbery. Prosecutors objected the furlough. Winnebago County State's Attorney Marilyn Height-Ross says she can't make comments on individual cases, but explained why she would object.
Circumstances where we may object might depend upon the nature of the offense the person is in custody for.
Durango says a judge granting a furlough is rare.
You're going to have an order when you leave the courtroom that says, the jail's got an order that says you're going to be released at this time on this date. You're going to return by this time on this date.
Beasley was set to leave the jail on November 18th at 8 in the morning and return the same day at 4. He never returned.
If you violate the terms of your furlough, you're in violation of the conditions of your bond, which is a criminal offense, and they can even charge you with escape.
Not only did Beasley fail to return, he's also accused of robbing another store last weekend. Height-Ross says it's happened before.
In the past, we've had individuals that have not returned to the jail and have committed other crimes while they were on the furlough.
So far this year, the Winnebago County's justice system has granted 84 furloughs to prisoners.